up? Is Odin Wolf and Odin Nuke here, and today we're going to be doing some new map. Der Eisendrache!
Yeah.
No Werfen of
Yeah.
So, let's see.
Right, we've literally got an Xbox and we've never played this. So,
this is our first attempt.
Okay, I have a feeling that. Oh yeah, I've just pressed use, by the way. And I have a bear on my head. Oh god, blue thing!
Oh, this looks so sick.
Oh yeah, you go back and get the tram fuse. So Alistair told me. Quite busy.
Don't watch Alistair's videos.
Alright, what did you just do? Tram music. Train.
I don't know what we're doing right now.
Okay.
Sabi.
So we get the RK5 up here. Yo, this is actually sick. This map looks so detailed.
I know.
Right, we have the sheet here.
I know where that goes to. You have to open it. Wait, where's power? I don't know where power is.
Right, can we go through here? No. We have a gumball machine there. Right, look, I think, let's try and open up here, shall we? So come here, I'll open the most expensive door. So come here.
Whatever that means, do it cause you love it, that's what happiness means. Cause when people mess up, they're like, man, I hate this. But mistakes really builds up greatness. Tito sending me beats like bake this. Dreaming high up, feeling so weightless. For now, let all the music vibe. Got the best fans and they all worldwide. See you all soon and we'll have a good time. Give you all the happy feels and slide. Yeah.
Trying to sneak in. Right, I'll let you get. Wait, I need to open this door, so let me get the points.
But have you got a gun?
You already have a tram fuse. You need to pick that one up.
I'll go on.
Alright, so we both can use the tram now. Alright, I need to get this last kill. Yes.
Where does the tram take you?
I'm not sure, but come over here.
I think it takes to the rocket plant.
Box!
Ooh, okay, right, look, this is the dragon. We have to get kills with him.
So we need power for him. Let's try and find power.
Where's power?
Yo, this is on Origin. Up here. That
oh yeah,
do.
one piece.
Okay, you go. We have the VMP up here. What's that? Oh, it's by the debris.
I do.
How do you get? Can you get it? Oh. Okay, do it here.
Where
looks like a useful room. Right, there's a workshop here so we can build the. Ooh. What's this? Yo, come here. What is this?
Alright, that's a teleporter. You stand in, and then it teleports you like, or not teleport, you jump all the way, look up there. You go all the way up there, like usually all the way up there.
There's definitely there. Devil workstation there. Where the flip's the power? We can't get anywhere without the power. Oh, wait, if we checked up here, is there... I'm gonna go looking for the power. There's like a door here that you can go through. Right, I'm back at the starting room quickly. Oh, wait. Oh, you must turn on the power. That looks like a good route. Oh my.
Oh, go.
I'm reloading again. What's that? Yay! Oh, look! There's powers up here, look! Powers up here. Look, there's this green arrow. Look, powers up here. There's a green arrow pointing to the door. Wait, power's not there.
Where is it?
Oh, here we go. Wait, what?
Oh, yeah. Oh god, she just come in here.
Yeah, where's power now?
Come by the door.
Oh, we'll have to open through here. You open that door. Wait, they don't come from here. We may as well camp at the stairs. Or let me get a few points so I can like buy a door or something. Oh god, careful! Oh, the accuracy. Yay, level 2. Okay.
Right.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright.
You made me lose your grenade. Alright, you buy this one.
Should we open this?
Yeah.
Open this?
You open this one.
Alright.
Alright. Is this power? No, that's the jumping thing. We need to search this whole area, okay?
Look for the like power symbol.
Oh, there's a staircase up
People
here.
are trying to break. People have like done the Easter egg for this, and we're just looking for power. That's literally right now.
Double point. Oh. Wait.
What have we found?
There's a door here.
Come
Oh,
on.
I'm into the green room thingy. This is the power room, I think. Do you know the room with all the computers? Now I'm going to run around and click X.
Where's the power room?
Oh my god. We're actually such news.
It's an instant.
We can't even find the flipping power. Ah! I'll bleed in red. Okay, we're
Wait,
out.
did you just get power?
No.
You get power. Why is this dragon alive?
Does that mean we got power?
Oh no, Callum, Panther comes on round 10.
Oh, that's great. First of all,
Let's throw them in here so we can get the dragon. Alright, wait till they get like a little bit in front and then kill them. And then sort of go to the zone.
Doesn't he stuck them up? Yeah. Why is he not stuck in all of them up?
Because he has to take time to eat it. Ah! Callum!
I'm not gonna let it die on this round. We'll make some quarters.
Oh right, I didn't get it. Stay alive, Callum. Oh yes, I can help out.
I thought that was a death machine. I was like, I don't need help. Right, let's just leave that one. Wait, I was gonna use the last one.
Ah!
Right, kill it. The hell those zombies got stuck. Wait, is it upstairs? Let me go and check.
It's not full yet. Wow, it's not full.
Wait, there's a courtyard out here. Oh my god, I'm actually stuck. I can't find it anywhere.
Help me. Ah, okay.
I'm coming.
I'm just gonna...
I've just bought, wait. Okay, we are actually stuck. Ooh. Oh my, I've just bought a door for 1,500. Oh, I'm going to power. Stay in there. I think power. Yes! I've turned it on! I've turned power on!
Yes, where was it?
It was up. We were missing it the whole time. On one of the banisters there was a store.
Right, I've done the first iron dragon.
Nice. Right, so we have power now.
Right, I'm gonna lead these guys to the one in the courtyard.
Yeah.
Wait, Callum. Wait, where's the one?
Oh yeah, come back.
Right, let's.
I think. Yeah, it's through. It was at totally the other side. Don't kill anyone. It was totally over here.
Yeah, well.
At least you know how to get to power. This is expensive to get to power, you know. Down
It's only
here.
round 8. We just got power.
Right, come here, leave them.
Go just run through it.
Oh, cool champ. Oh yeah, no point.
No, yeah, don't do it.
Yeah.
Alright, where's the next one? The next one's. Oh yeah, up here.
Let's hit
But there was
boxes.
such an easier way that we could have got there.
Haymaker. Fine with me. Oh, I went bleeding mode already. Gonna hit box.
Not yet. It's not really the ideal time. Alright, just train them around until they finish eating and then.
Right, I'm standing
Kill
against
more.
the stove. Oh. Right, I'm gonna hit one more box. You could have stand there. August. I might have 2 shotguns, just to be safe.
Alright. Yeah, I'll hit bottom.
How long are you using the new DLC?
We're just recording. Can you leave, please? Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Are you using the new
Allow.
DLC code?
Can you leave, please? We're recording.
Leave.
Alright.
Oh, let's edit that one. Okay, we're back, guys. Is this dragon still not done yet? This guy's greedy. Oh yeah, I got the dragon. I'm actually.
Right. He's still getting
Oh.
points. Right.
Alright.
Keep bring him a bit closer to him. This dude's greedy, man.
He has to.
Wait, can I kill one?
Eating. That's why when they're already dead,
Wait,
they get like.
is he stone? He's stone, I think.
Yeah,
Yes.
he's there.
I just want to get confused.
Alright, where's the last one? Wait, can leave one. Leave him.
Okay.
Alright. Need to find. Should we
Wow.
go down here, Callum?
Yeah.
What's down here?
I just hit one more box and I got trip mines.
Yo, come down here, Callum. Wait, in here. Oh, this is the anti-grav place.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the last place that we need to go.
Yeah. I saw this. You get to like jump around the rooms and stuff. Whoa, wide.
Yeah, you have to stand on each panel, look. Ready? Anti-grav! Oh wait, the last one. Oh no!
Alright. Wait. Get into our positions. Go! No! Wait, we'll get ready. Don't stand on any yet. Wait. Yes, you stay on that one. You want
Oh,
to.
that's why you have to like stay on them for. Quite a long time.
Oh. Wait, you just
Wait, let
do
me
them
just
all
do it.
then.
You train the zombie. I'll do it.
Right, I think we're gonna end the episode here. Shall we?
Callum! Wait.
Sorry.
Callum! I'm gonna die! Jeez, take him.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end the episode here. Bye.
Alright, guys. That was our beginner game of.
I think we'll resume it in
our beginner
episode 2,
game of,
yeah? Don't
Yes.
forget to jump really high.
Wait, look at this. Oh,
Oh, don't we have to jump to everything?
No, what you need to do is you need to
what we meant to do.
Alright, look, you see that dragon here?
Yeah?
I'm gonna kill the zombie near him.
Yeah, we're gonna end the episode
And then
here,
come
so
alive.
hopefully you've enjoyed. It's been
Right.
Odin Nuke and Odin Wolf. See ya.